Hello everyone, and thank you for joining us again. My name is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, walking around a 2019 Honda Pilot touring with you. If you're on our YouTube page, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And also don't forget to smash the bell so you'll get notifications about our new inventory and the walkarounds as they're made. We do this as a way of being transparent, to show you the things that will not show up in our 100 high-definition photos that are located on our website. If you'd like to see those on our website, please visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. Plus, get a look at everything else we offer. At the end of this video, you'll be able to hear the engine running on the Honda Pilot, so let's go ahead and start the walk around. Hello everyone, we are walking around this 19 Pilot with brand new tires. There's very little to show you, a couple of these small chips, but that is about all there is. You back up, they're gone. For a SUV with almost 4 years under its belt in another month and over 30,000 miles, this thing is in impeccable shape. Well above average condition. No heavy scratches, dings, dents, nothing of that sort. Roof looks great. Spoiler. Let's go ahead and take a look at the interior, shall we? All right, showing you what doesn't show up in our pictures, which is this side of the visors, the headliner and the sunshade. In this case, the rear entertainment and the rear headliner, all of which is in like new condition, along with the top of the dash. There's also not a hint of smoke in this vehicle, so it was obviously a non-smoker. If you have any questions about the interior or exterior condition, feel free to give Jennifer a call. Her name and number is located at the bottom of your screen. Also, don't forget to ask about financing options and shipping options.